Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more ChoroQ videos, 164 Tune Cars and other car toy brand. So guys, anyway, another purchase, another Oyako series guys. It's a ChoroQ Oyako series. It's a standard size and a bigger size ChoroQ that converts it into a convenience store or a gas station or uh, what mail Japan mail services or others guys. So anyway, additional in my collection of Oyako series guys, this is the ChoroQ gas station guys. I think this ChoroQ Oyako series guys made also Ineos gas station, but this is the only one that I found on the thrift shop guys, and I don't have this model in my collection of Oyako, so I bought this. It's a gas station of ChoroQ. It's a second-hand purchase, guys. It's a Japan surplus, Japan use. So this is my number 7 on my Oyako series. Number 7 set, guys. Okay, let's take a look of this, guys. So as you can see, it's a use. This one is the bigger truck that converts it into a gas station, and others are convenience store, 7-Eleven, Mr. Donut. So anyway guys, this one has signs that it's been played guys. As you can see, the edges of the chrome are beginning to chip off. So I just painted it to silver with my markers guys, as you can see, but it has no damage guys. That's a 10 for me. Okay, no damage or everything. As you can see, it's kind of big. And then this one is the standard size ChoroQ that included on this set guys. ChoroQ tanker guys. As you can see, the square edge of the chrome are chipped off, so I just put a marker to look more clean and what anyway, this is the ChoroQ standard size tank lorry or gas station tanker guys. Comes with this one. So let's convert this one guys. You will just open this just like that guys. Then this one. Oh, by the way guys, it has a missing part. It's a small step in this area, but I can fix that. I can fabricate that to look complete. But anyway, I will make that when I have a free time guys. So anyway, as of this moment, this is a Oyako series ChoroQ gas station. As you can see, it has a pit station on the right, and on the left is a convenience store from the gas station, and in the middle guys, it has a gas pump decal. Okay, and then the sign of the gas station on the top guys. And then this one is the gas station for those who likes small scale diorama or packet size when you're on vacation and your kids wants to play, this is the right product for your kids, guys, because it's folding, it's pocket, and it's small. Okay, so again guys, this is a Chorokyu Oyako series, Chorokyu gas station with a standard size tanker, guys. Okay, and this one guys, it has a place on the bottom, guys. As you can see, you can put it here. Okay, okay, it runs also, guys. So guys, that's it. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.